Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a video on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the video section next to the presentation button and tap to the first option, the video. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures or videos to your video, go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos or audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it videos and images from your device. In the element section, you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, videos, audio files, tables, frames and more. If you go to the design section, you can find in different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. You can edit this template. For example, you can crop this video. Just drag the line, and if you don't, click to the done button. And you can edit this video. For example, you can add filters and edit the brightness, highlights, shadows and more. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.